Good morning, I'm Marina, LM Group Real Estate, and we're on another fantastic team, property and area tour. And this time we are in the wonderful town of La Cala. We're here with some of the team. The team is not out there on viewings already with our clients. And we're starting very authentically right here, which looks like a huge car park, which it is, but several times a month it turns into great fair, it turns into markets, and that's where not just the locals, but people from other neighborhoods come to have fun with all the family. Sometimes in the evenings it's a fun fair. So very authentically, guys, hello, hello. So I want to introduce you as well to Paulina. She's well equipped with the water for a hot day like today. Paulina loves the neighborhood, and for today, she's going to be our guide, telling us about this great growing area, developing area that has about 25 new build projects that some of them are just starting, others are almost ready. And Paulina is one of our top experts that's been living here over 27 years. Woo! She moved when she was 5, obviously. So she will tell us very lovingly and expertly about the area, about the infrastructure, and about some of the projects. And the team, are you ready to discover some of the greatness? Let's go!
In La Cala, there's everything that you need for your everyday life. You've got here schools, you've got here medical center, you've got brand new sports center with a football pitch, with Olympic-sized swimming pool. In a village, we only have public schools, and you can go all the way from 3 years old all the way to bachillerato. There's a different infantil, they're all scattered around the village, but basically here you can stay. Also, just as where we started journey, there's a golf course called La Noria. That's the closest ones to here. The beaches here are very wide and sandy. You will see it in a minute. And with the new promenade that they're finishing, you'd be able to go about 7 kilometers to Marbella and about the same to Fuengirola walking on the beach. This is called Boulevard of La Cala, and it's beautiful to come at Christmas time, because at Christmas it's all set up with magical Christmas lights. Also twice a month, right here, you get a local ecological market where you can go and get just fruit and veg and local produce from farmers around the area. And also here, on this particular street, you will see lots of different bars, restaurants, tapas bars. In the past, I would say 5 years, we're becoming a lot more upmarket. Along there is one of my favorite bars called Pura Cepa. If you're into wine or gin tonic, it's an amazing place to go and have a glass of wine.
One of the things that I love about La Cala is that it's such an eclectic mix of really traditional, really classic little tavernas and little shops like ferreterias, and really, as Paulina said, in the last few years, really upmarket restaurants and bars. And I think it caters as much to families as it does to a more retiring community, more mature community, especially international and British community. I think the Americans are loving it as well.
This is the icon of the village Mijas, which is situated up in the mountains. And this is one of the only places that has got donkey taxi.
And I also love, thanks to Paulina, we get to know some of the local fiestas that the Ayuntamiento organizes. For Halloween, our kids make us come here all the way from Elviria and Rosario, because here almost all of the restaurants and shops participate in trick-or-treating, and there is so much decoration, and there is live music in the Butibamba Park. They do a lot of fairs, they do a lot of kiosks, they do a lot of games and competitions and circus and all sorts of things. I think they have a big Christmas party as well, and a summer party. So the Mijas Town Hall really, and the Cala de Mijas Town Hall really go all in. You can see some of the local older properties as well. They rarely come up for sale. We actually have one coming up for sale in the next week or two. These particular properties are really very residential for locals, for the families that have lived here for a very long time. So it's, of course, it's more dated than many new build projects that we're going to see. Of course, the pluses is that they're right by the beach. The minus is they very rarely come up for sale. And of course, they're older and there is not so much liberty to renovate them fully.
This is the watchtower that I mentioned to you, that goes back to the pirates, when we were watching out for the pirates. This square in the summer gets filled in with a lot of stalls. There is music, there's concerts going on here. So this square in the summer evenings is super busy and it's a place to be.
Okay, of course I'm going to talk about food, my specialty. So for you to know, here is where the restaurants cook fish and sardines in a stick. Here in Spain it's called espeto de sardinas, or fish al espeto. And they just put the stick with the sardines and the fish, and then the effect is really, really nice. I recommend you to try.
Do they do anything for San Juan? Do they do the big fires?
For San Juan, the whole beach is full of people. They do fires. Some chiringuitos create their own fires. And San Juan, the tradition of San Juan is, Marina will help me out here, at 12 o'clock, you need to go into the water, jump, how many times?
7 times.
7 times. And then you can expect an addition to your family next year.
Yeah, that's it.
And you know what? It's a proven fact.
Yes.
How many of us were there? 5 of us?
5 of us were
We all
jumping
jumped
away.
in San Juan and we were all pregnant next year.
All over the coast. The chiringuitos do their own thing with the huge bonfires, with live music. It's great parties, great spirit, and everybody makes their little notes on things that they want to burn, they want to leave behind, and you have to throw it in. Some people also do lanterns. I think here they do quite a lot of lanterns, right? And you have to wear white, absolutely. So some of you can already start partying now. It's the 23rd of June. So for us, we're now in May, next month.
Villanova Golf, when we get there, you'll see it has one of the biggest golf shops that I have seen, that you can buy pretty much anything for the golf. It's got quite popular in the past 2 years, and as we're going to be driving past, you will see there's a lot of different projects. Some of them already finished, some of them are just starting. And you know, Costa del Sol is also called Costa del Golf, so we've got, I think, over 50 golf courses. We're going to see 2 of them today, or 3 of them today. This is a pretty new area, and as we passed on your left-hand side, there's also bars, restaurants, a lovely Indian restaurant, Italian restaurant there.
The best burger.
Yes, the best burger, Juan can tell you for sure, called Dug Burger. And also, apart from that, is also a nice cafes that serve local breakfast. But here by Kronos, this one is ready already. People already living in, but they do still have some units left, and they are great value. Right next to it is called Culmia Cala Swing. This is being built right here on your right-hand side. It's also going to have a lovely views to the Mijas village and to the golf course.
So we're here at the clubhouse of La Cala Resort, Golf and Spa. We've just checked out the spa area, which is stunning. They have a jacuzzi, outdoor jacuzzi, quite a large one, with just breathtaking golf views. It's so peaceful, it's so serene. You can just breathe in the serenity. And the prices, don't tell too many people, but they are fantastic. For a day spa, it's around 30-35 euros, and you can have great package for to have the whole day here with a massage, with a lunch here at the steakhouse or the clubhouse. Beautiful gift to give to yourself or to your friends or do together with your husband or wife. So here you have a gym here as well. You have tennis facilities, and we're just going to check out the views from the clubhouse if you're having your lunch here. I mean, this is the lifestyle when you want to get away a little bit from all the noise, but still be without 7-8 minute reach for some social life. But here, of course, you have plenty. You have one of the largest golf shops as well. And maybe you don't play golf just yet, but when you move here, I'm sure you'll get inspired by the outdoor activity that has so many people addicted and fascinated, which is great for your health, whatever the age. So come with us. As you can see, it's a very international environment here. A lot of nationalities. Where are you from?
Ireland, England, UK.
England, Ireland?
Yes.
Great. Are you having lots of fun?
Well, we're here 20 years, so we should do.
Well, you definitely should do. Nice golf?
Really good golf. The golf course is in really good condition at the moment, so it's great fun.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Gentlemen, where are you all from?
Scotland, Edinburgh.
Edinburgh, nice. Nice golf today?
Hopefully.
Do you love the area?
Oh, love it. The area is lovely.
Amazing.
This is actually a hippodrome, which is a really famous, but unfortunately it's not a functioning hippodrome. I've been here when the horse races were still on. I've come here, but what they've done is Mijas Town Hall just this year got back the concession because the concession has been given to a private company. They managed to get the concession back, so now it fully belongs, this area, hippodrome fully belongs back to Mijas Town Hall, and they're going to be developing a lot of sports, recreational stuff. And just behind Hippodromo is a plot for Balance Nova. This project that's in a stage of being built, it's called the Valley from Taylor Wimpey, and right next to it is Altos de Chaparral. Altos de Chaparral, the price is there now starting from nearly 600, 700, what's left. And you know, greenity is amazing for entrance value.
So here we are for a live presentation of one of our favorite projects here in La Cala area. And it's actually one of the very few projects that's completely quay ready. You can see the greenery here. You can see some people are moving in already. And there's the last few units left. And we're just going to check it out. Most of the time we do previews for our clients. We go and check out the properties and the projects before we show it to them. So we're going to go through, and it's very modern. At the same time, it's part of ecosystem. You can see the nature as part of its architecture, and also it's modern and contemporary, but it's not the typical white box as many these days don't want. They want all the great advantages like fantastic technology and great materials that the modern projects give, but they want something more interesting than just white plain boxes, as people keep saying. So here you have just such mix, and we're going to go in for the presentation. Yo soy Marina, él es Juan, somos los cofundadores de la empresa.
Vale, perfecto. Bienvenidos a Evergreen Homes.
Gracias.
This road over there is walking distance to the beach in 5 minutes. Okay? And if it's a sandy beach and it has also got an underground tunnel, very safe to cross to the beach. And on the right side of the beach, there is a chiringuito called Wasa Beach Bar that plays live music every Friday.
Wow.
Also, walking distance to La Cala, it's about 15-20 minutes. And that road over there drives you to Fuengirola in 5 minutes also. A little bit more, 10 minutes, sorry, because it's 7.5 kilometers, more or less. Fuengirola has got a train station, so that can connect cities like Malaga Center, Malaga Airport, Granada. You can go even skiing to Sierra Nevada by train. Something that I love from this project is it's a very, very quiet place.
Yeah, you can hear the birds chirping.
You can hear birds, and also another advantage from this project, it's here is almost everything flat, so you don't have so many hills. All the houses has got 170 built, 140 useful. This one has got the biggest garden. The garden from this house is 145. Also plus the 30 square meters covered terrace. Every house comes with one parking space that you have seen outside. Particularly, this one has got a space for 2 cars. We have an agreement with a Danish Sport Center paying $150 per month. All the people living in the house can use their amenities.
Here we are in the Chaparral Golf Clubhouse with beautiful views over La Cala. This is also, let's do a bit of practice. Yeah, this is also very popular within local community. They organize a lot of events. They've got beautiful restaurant. And the Chaparral Golf Course, it's quite a technical golf course. It goes, it's quite big and it goes around the area and is surrounded by many, many new build projects that we will talk about in a minute. We also quite close to the sea. And amazing fact about here is that a promenade from La Cala that is being built and finished towards Fuengirola, which will be done in a couple of months. And from La Cala to Marbella, it's already done. So you can go for a long, leisurely walks for the sunset or early morning jogs to see a sunrise. La Cala is a very international area. Like I think I've mentioned it before. It's a very expat orientated, but it still conserves its own little charm of still being a little Spanish village. We have got quite a few new build promotions. And also one of my favorite promotions that is here is called Balance Nova. It's situated just behind golf in a completely new development area. Apart from that, we've got Balance Nova there, we've got Cove, we have got Valley Views, we have got Balance, we've got Altos de Chaparral. So take a couple of more years and this area is going to be completely different. At the moment, it's a great time to invest because prices, off-plan prices are still really good. You have got very flexible payment plans. So we recommend for any investor to come in. This area is amazing and it is predicted quite a great growth in capital. So enjoy La Cala.